Hi, this is MT Motors here. Um, yeah, sorry for interruption, and please subscribe my channel. Today we're doing Vauxhall Insignia 2012 1.4 turbo, and as you can see, we're doing a timing chain, and unfortunately, the car came here with a very bad rattle and misfiring, and you can see I think the owner has not been serviced regularly. If I can show you the chain gasket cover, yeah, there's a rocker cover. You can see inside there is very bad indeed. No service. That's what brought up all this problem here. You can see, look at the timing chain. Look at the gap that I'm putting my hands in there. That's supposed to be tight. And you can see the shaking is shaking very badly. So timing is out, and we got a new one. We're gonna put it on as soon as possible. And as you can see, we're gonna change all these chain guiders, sprockets, and we set it back in there, and then we start the car straight away. Water pump. Oh, okay, this is not bad. A bit rusty, but we'll keep it going for now. This is outside the timing chain, so if it needs changing, we change it after. But ideally, it would be better if you change it. But it looks like it's been changed before. It looks new, so we'll leave that one on. It's a recap, but yeah, I'm gonna update you for this if the car starts and run better. As we found, the car was very badly indeed, to be honest with you. So please subscribe my channel and leave a comment below, and then I can respond as soon as possible. If you need a help, you know where to get us in T Motors. Take care. Bye bye.